Hello there, how are you? Welcome to this channel. I'm Afreen. So let's start this video with today's hot topic, which you can see on my screen. So if I says be always young, that means look young as well as feel young. So watch this video. Here I will tell you 6 ways to look young. And my first way is cleansing and facial and moisturizer. And why it is important? Because to remove dust and dirt from your skin, otherwise there will be layers of dust and dirt and your face will lose exact identity of it. So next is manicure and pedicure. Now hand and legs can tell exact age of any person, so it's important to make them happy, to shut off their mouth. So do manicure and pedicure at least once in a month. Next is workout. So workout is very important. You should make it part of your lifestyle. Give 15 minutes to your body every day. You go for a walk or for 15-minute cardio at home, or zumba or dance, whatever you like. By workout, the blood circulation of your body is increased, as well as blood circulation of your brain is increased. Next is eating habit. Now eating habit is more important as your age is adding one every year, because how you look is what you eat, and it's important to eat right. And I'm not saying that don't eat outside food and junk food. Eat it, but don't regularly. Next is hobby time, because when you do what you like or love, you forget everything at that moment. So it's just like a meditation. So do whatever you like in your life, whatever your hobby is, whether it is going out with your friends, shopping, watching TV, whatever, do it. Next is water. So everybody here know how much important water is, so have adequate amount of water every day. And now next is be happy. So happiness is the key of look young. I have seen such people in my life, one who is not so old, but because of the stress, tension and all, they look more than their age. And other hand, I know people in my life who seems happy like all the time without any tension, so they looks just not so old anyway. So just be happy, be positive, and live your life so happily. So guys, I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and like this video. I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye.